How to export a Figma prototype to video. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can export the Figma prototype to video. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to export the Figma prototype, you just need to open up figma.com and log in into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your home screen. So here I get a bunch of projects. You just need to simply select one of the projects that you want to export the video to. So here I'm just going to select one of the project. Let's say I'm going to select this Bake Jam Basic. So I'm just going to select it. After that, wait for it to be loaded and it will redirect to another page. So here I'm just going to wait for some seconds and I'll be taken to a page where you get the prototype. So here this prototype, you can see this interface on my screen right now. So what I'm going to do is go to that shape on the left side of the screen, and here you can see lots of options, but we're gonna go under plugins at the above widgets. Just go to plugins and you can see manage plugins, or you can right click on your screen and you can see this plugin option and you can see that manage plugin. So you just need to go to manage plugins and you'll be able to see an export option. You just need to select that export option in order to export the video into your laptop or PC. So therefore, by following this method, you can export a prototype into video from Figma. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.